I am Coleman Rose, and this is called the Burpathon.
Burpathon?
Burpathon! Yeah!
Oh, that's gay.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, motherfucker.
Pizza.
Pizza. Here we go.
No!
Come on.
You gotta get a little closer, babe. Closer. So I can hear you. I'll tilt it up. A little farther away, please.
Oh, yeah! Ready.
I guess. That's weak.
Yeah.
Go get some soda or something. That's weak.
No, it's not.
Yay! Ew, I think you spit on me.
Oh, something came up on that one.
Go get a soda. That's mine.
No. No. No.
Get your
Oh, shit. My soda.
It's my soda. Get over there by the door. Or no, over by right there.
I gotta take a piss!
Too bad.
Oh! Oh, God. Oh, God.
Pain, yay!
Oh! Oh, pain! Okay, there's the second segment to this video. Watch me try to headbutt the door. Not headbutt, but run up on the door.
Ow! I'm fucking hurt.
Hey Coleman, spiders.
Spider!
Thanks Coleman, there's a spider on you.
Ah! Spider! Ah! Ow!
Spider. Ah!
You're a spider!
No, the laptop is not a spider.
Yes! Yes it is! It's a fucking spider! It's a fucking
No!
spider! Ah!
Let's
Smash
fucking break it!
Smash the fucking laptop!
Get off!
Smash! Smash! Smash!
You're gonna break it, you fat.
Fuck you. Fuck you. And you. And you in the back. Fuck you.
Spider. Spider.
Spider.
No.
Fuck.
Door is spider. No, the door is the spider.
Die! Spider! Die! Ouch! Ow, that hurt!
He's such a fucking moron.
Oh! 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 Fucking spider!
You need your entire body. Oh my.
Thank you, this has been a Coleman Rose exclusive.
No, it hasn't. There's more.
There's no more! There's no more.
Oh my god. Yeah, more.
No!
Spider! Kill the spider! The spider's not dead.
Spider! You're the fucking spider!
No, you're not. No, it's not. The door's a spider.
BAM! Oh! Hey, I can. Hey. Where's the spider at?
The door?
The door's no spider.
Yeah, it is.
It's a spider!
Look, right over there. Spider. Spider.
Hi.
Get the door.
No.
Ding dong.
Ding dong! Doorbell! Smooth! How would you like to be the next YouTube star?
I never even said this is going on YouTube.
Bye-bye.
Oh God, where's the dog?
Oh no.
He's not answering. Spoon.
'Cause if you jump, I will jump too. We will fall together from the building's ledge, never looking back at what we've done. We'll say it was love, 'cause I would die for you on Scarlet Avenue.
This is so cool.